Canary. Smart benefits for smarter businesses. We've redefined how businesses look at benefits. Canary has substantially lower management fees than anyone else. Your broker likely receives a 15% commission. You're paying for that 15% each month in your bill. At Canary, our management fee is 2 to 3 times lower. Canary's management fee is 4.9%, the lowest in benefits. That's it. It's impossible to beat us on price. We have by far the lowest fees and benefits. Contact us through email at joincanary@joincanary.com or online at joincanary.com. Keep more of your money.